know how to run game, but I got $40.
Do you know what would look really good on you? Me.
I think I'm pretty and I think you're cute. So together we'd be pretty cute. So what do you want to do?
Long story short, where your girlfriend at?
I'm Brittany. You think I'm cute?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we're gonna do Tinder in real life, but this time we gonna switch the roles. You know what I'm saying? The girls are gonna come up with their best pickup lines, and we gonna see who won. Let's get it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. Road to 1K. Let's get it.
What's going on YouTube? It's the Remix Kid J Brace. You can follow me on Instagram at DAREMIXKID. I ain't too much sure about what's going on with this challenge, but hey, if I in it, I win it.
My name is Bjorn. You can follow me on IG at b.c.a. Alright? And I'm easily gonna win this challenge because I'm the sauciest nigga here.
My name is Brittany.
Hey everybody, my name's Ken. My Instagram is Ken_Riches, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Nana. You can follow me on Instagram at Big Shooter with 2 A's. And we're outside, okay? Niggas is outside, bitches is outside. We trying to hear the pickup lines, okay? Niggas feel like they could pull bitches in here. I feel like I could pull one of them. It's just one of them. You know what I mean? One of them was looking nice, but everybody else, I don't know. But yeah, we outside.
Hi YouTube, my name is Rachel. Follow me on Instagram at the_Ray_way. Okay. I guess we're doing some pickup lines today. So
I am Nabi. We about to do the Tinder challenge. Follow me on Instagram at Nabi Kozar. Yeah, let's get it.
Hey, my name is Bjorn, but most people call me Brian.
hey, my name is Rachel. You could call me Ray.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Brian.
Okay, I like this jacket. Where'd you get it from?
I don't know, man.
I've been looking out of it, and I've been looking at it, and I want to take you out of it.
Okay, right?
Period. Wait, do I go right?
Hey, my name is Nana. What's your name?
My name is Brian. Nice to meet you.
Ryan. I feel like I'm on Netflix. I've been watching you for hours. From a distance. No?
Oh, okay. Hey,
Hey.
what's your name?
My name is Brian, and yours?
Ken.
Nice to meet you.
I don't really know how to run game, but I got $40.
Why you said no? I mean, why you said left? There's only one. So.
Cause it was kind of weird and creepy. She's like, I was watching you like Netflix, like.
So you don't really like to be
Yeah.
watching like that? All right. So look, we got 2 rights. You know what I'm saying? They gonna come back up.
Okay.
They gonna do another one. You know what I'm saying? And then you gonna pick one out of the last 2. So can my rights line up for me, please?
And I'm back again. Hey, my name is Ray.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bjorn.
Okay. I think I'm pretty and I think you're cute. So together we'd be pretty cute. So what do you want to do?
Ooh, okay. That's right.
Okay. I see these girls competing, but I just want to know where you from. You from Tennessee? Because you the only 10 I see.
What you think about that last one?
That's the oldest one in the book. Come on, man. You gotta hit me with something fresh, you know?
Something fresh. So that's a left.
That's the left, yeah.
That's a left. All right. So Rachel, you the one. Come back up here. She's the winner. You know what I'm saying?
Not on YouTube.
What you gotta say you want?
I gotta say, I came up with these lines. We could get to know each other. Maybe we could be matchmakers. I mean, you could be a matchmaker. YouTube, I might have found the love of my life.
Nice to meet you.
Ooh.
It was not part of the video, but all right.
What's going on? It's J Brace.
Hello, what your name is?
J Brace.
Oh, I'm Brittany. You think I'm cute?
Yeah.
All right. Follow me on Instagram.
Hey,
How you doing?
how you?
I'm good.
Long story short, where your girlfriend at?
That's all right. That's all right. She came on strong.
Hey, my name's Ray. What's your name?
Jay Price.
Hey, I just seen you from over there, and I was wondering if you want to talk to me because I want to talk to you. So what's up?
Another strong one. I like strong people. That's all right.
What's your name?
Jay Price.
Jay Price. Well, I just want to let you know I can afford it.
And I'm expensive. What's up?
Period.
I get on it right. No one will be loud.
Do you know what would look really good on you?
Who's up?
Me. Right,
I
Les?
get that one on now.
Damn. You ain't like that one?
Nah, because I think one of them boys was close to it.
Oh, okay. So that's why you said
Yeah,
love.
that's
All
the only reason.
All right, so we know we got basically 4 rights. You know they're going to come back up. You got to choose one this time.
One.
One.
So I'm going to wait till the end.
One.
No pressure.
All right. All right. Since they don't got nothing to say, y'all come back up here. Come on. Yeah. So they don't really have no more pickup lines. You know what I'm saying? So which one you want?
Oh, that's how we going?
Yeah, that's how we go.
Nah, we got to do something now. We got to do something other than
All right,
that.
so what you want them to do?
You think of... Hey, y'all boys pick a game for them to do. I know your mind's been wondering.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Y'all pick a game.
Jumping jacks.
Need some P90X word code or something.
So what do you want them to do?
Let me know y'all zodiac signs and I'm going to pick off of that.
Dead.
Zodiac sign.
Virgo.
Virgo.
Gemini.
Cancer.
2 Virgos, Gemini, and a Cancer.
Okay. I'm sorry. They going to have to win because I'm a Virgo as well.
Period.
We going to have to do another one. Someone give me a...
Can't pick.
No. I know. I'm going to do another game. I'm going to do another game.
I know,
I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do another game. They got that because they Virgos. All right? They got that. All right.
I was wondering why he was so confident.
I didn't think there was another Virgo in the room. Do me all right, so I'm gonna take someone's question. Pick a number out of 20.
5.
16.
She was close. It was 13.
That was a weird ass game, but
I'm sorry. I didn't know that game.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pree. We out.